Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Cricut Designs, and I needed to just pop in real quick and let you know that Cricut has gone totally mystery box crazy, and they have re-released 2 mystery boxes from earlier in the year and last year, and they also that we found out that there's some awesome changes that happened with the Cricut cutie bundles that were released, and I needed to share that with you guys, okay? Because I hate for you to miss out on these great deals. So there's five different bundles that are currently available right now, and I'm going to go over each of those. Where you see this video, in the description area where you're viewing this video, there will be a link to the 5 different mystery boxes that I'm showing you, so that you can click on that link. It'll take you to the shop. You'll be able to make your purchase, and if you purchase $50 or more, you will be able to use my promo code SMQD01, and that will give you 10% off plus free shipping in the US and Canada. And of course, if you have Cricut Access, you'll get an extra 10% off. So the savings are really going to add up, all right? Now, let me share with you real fast. So the Cricut Cutie bundles, there's 3 different kinds. There's one that is a vinyl only bundle, and it has a mixture of permanent vinyl, outdoor vinyl, glitter vinyl, dry erase vinyl, and holographic vinyl. And you're going to get the Raspberry Cricut Cutie with this bundle, okay? And the main thing I want to share with you is that originally we thought you'd only got 1 roll of each thing of vinyl. But guess what? You don't. You get 2 rolls of each vinyl. So with this particular bundle, you're going to get 24 rolls of assorted vinyl plus the Cricut Cutie for only $99.99, okay? So that is the Cricut Cutie vinyl bundle, and it's the Raspberry Cricut Cutie. There's another bundle that is the Cricut Cutie iron-on bundle. So you're going to get everyday iron-on, you're going to get iron-on foil, iron-on light, and iron-on glitter, and that's going to come with the Flamingo Cutie, okay, figurine, and that's going to be 16 rolls total that you're going to get in this particular bundle for $99.99. And then the Cricut Cutie vinyl and iron-on bundle is a mixture of everyday iron-on, permanent vinyl, and glitter adhesive vinyl, and you're going to end up with 20 rolls total with that particular bundle, and you're going to get the lilac Cricut Cutie. Okay, so those are the 3 Cricut Cutie bundles that are currently available, but you get more product in them than we originally thought. Okay, so it's an even better value. Now, they re-released 2 Cricut mystery boxes. So they released the December 1 mystery box, which includes holographic sparkle vinyl in gold, holographic sparkle sampler, which gives you 3 different colors, and a holographic vinyl sampler, okay? And then there's 2 packages of designer fabric. You'll get 1 set of Cricut gel pens, and you will get 1 bonded fabric tip blade, and you will get 1 rotary blade kit. Now the rotary blade kit can only be used in the Cricut Maker, but everything else can be used in both machines, okay, the Cricut Maker and the Cricut Explore machines. This mystery box is $39.99, all right? And then there is another mystery box that's currently available, and that is the Cricut Snowbird mystery box, and that includes 10 rolls of Cricut permanent vinyl and 4 rolls of transfer tape. Now the Cricut permanent vinyl is the vinyl that I showed you guys that you can use on your cups and your mugs and everything, and it will stay on. It works great. I've done a lot of testing with that. So if you purchase $50 or more in the Cricut shop, you can use my promo code SMQD01 and be able to save 10% off plus free shipping on orders, you know, if you spent $50 or more in product, okay? And that's for US and Canada. Also, if you are a Cricut Access subscriber, you get an additional 10% off. So right now you can get any of these 5 deals that were available as when I was making this. These are while supplies last. Go grab them, tell your friends. Thanks for using my link when you make your purchase, and then don't forget to use the promo code so you save money. Talk to you guys later.